Alright class, we're at week 00, page number 2. We just finished the name scores up at the top half of the page, and we collected our class's data. We filled out all the boxes in section number 2 for your classmates' name scores. You now have a bunch of data. What you should do at this point is take your data and put them in order from smallest to largest. After that, you're going to need to be able to find the 5-number summary. In the 5-number summary, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 values, as we talked about on page 0's vocabulary. We have a minimum, a maximum, and then we have things we call Q1, Q2, and Q3. We call those quartiles. Imagine as if you had a bunch of change and you had 0 cents all the way up to 100 cents. And you had 1 penny for every cent value. So 0 to 100. Okay. You would need to find your minimum and your maximum, your quartile 1, your quartile 2, and your quartile 3. Well, the quartiles split your data into quarters. And we happen to know, well, if we have 100 cents, then we have that split up into quarters. We have 25 cents. We have 50 cents, and we have 75 cents. So essentially what we have here is we have a minimum of 0 and a maximum of 100. We have our quartile 2 at 50. That splits us right smack dab in the middle. That's also known as our median of our data. And then in quartile 1 we have 25 cents, and in quartile 3 we have 75 cents. Now, it's not always that easy because it's not always in terms of money. So let's say we have a set of data, so go ahead and copy this down. So in this data set we have 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 11, and 12. Now in this data we want to be able to find our 5-number summary. So we want to be able to find our minimum, our quartile 1, quartile 2, Q3, and our max. So these are our 5 numbers for our summary. It's really easy to find the minimum. The minimum is the smallest. That's 2. Our maximum is the largest. It's 12. Now we want to be able to find our median. Our median will tell us exactly what our quartile 2 is. So we need to find the median of that. So take our data, and we need to use our check mark system or whatever method you use in order to find what number is smack dab in the middle. I like to use check marks. Outside, inside. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Now I have 2 numbers smack dab in the middle. I have 6 and 7. If I add those up, I get 13. And then you divide by 2 because you want to take the average of those. That gives you 6.5. So my quartile 2, which is my median, is 6.5. Now I need to also then find the quartile 1 and quartile 3. These are the ones that are a little bit more tricky. So again, taking a look at our data, I can say, well, my median is right here. It's at 6.5. There's my minimum. There's my maximum. I need to find the median of my lower half. That's this way. Lower half, LH. And I also need to find the median of my upper half. It's the half on the upper side. So looking at the lower half, I can use that same method. Left, right, left, right, left, right. And I see that my median is 4 of my lower half. That means my quartile 1 is 4. Okay, using that same method again, I'm going to go ahead and do the upper half. So I have 7, 12, 8, 11, 9, 11. I've got a number smack dab in the middle, and that number is 10. So my quartile 3 is 10. That's the 5-number summary for this set of data. what I would like you guys to do right now is for week 00, page 2, is to find the 5-number summary of your name scores and then find the median, mode, and mean, thus completing page number 2.